All right, good morning and good afternoon. Here's what we're doing today. We're doing 108. So on 108, you're going to have the instruction document. And then when you open it up, you click View Assignment. All right, you're going to be able to make a copy up here at the top right. You'll be able to make a copy of this. You'll see one with your name on it already. So here are our instructions today. You're able to read through this, but I will help you also. All right, here's the 8 kind of pictures that we are going to look for today. Our goal today is to put in some pictures. All right, so here's the framework that you're putting the pictures into. So I'll make myself a copy so I don't ruin my original. All right, so is going to be your last name, such as Smith. All About Me is the title that you see in there. First thing we're going to need to do is change the background, and that is as easy as this right here. All right, we can choose any image that you want. I will choose, for example, if I chose beach, just click on that, press insert. That's now my new background. All right. Rename the presentation. I've done that. Select the background. Very good. You need to put your name on the presentation. So I'm going to go for a text box, which is right here. Nice and big. I'm going to put my name, Mr. Smith. I'm going to highlight it. Then I'm going to come here to this font and try to choose one that I like. I like this one. Mr. Smith's favorite color is green, so I'll take this green. And then I need to make it bigger, so I will go here. Stretch this out a little bit. All right. Move this up a little bit. Very good. All right. Next, it tells me search for 8 photos and put them in the frames. Okay. So first, favorite Olympic sport. So I'm gonna go insert an image, search the web. My favorite Olympic sport. I like to watch archery. So come over here. Let's get this. Press insert. Bam. And then I'm gonna put it in this frame. It's this frame. Boom. Next one. Photo of a place you want to visit in the future. All right. So let's say insert image, search the web. I want to visit New Zealand. I'll take the flag. That'll work. Shrink that down. Get it into a box that works. Nice in the middle. Excellent. Boom. All right. And then we're going to keep going for these items that you have right here. All right. So a talent you have, a book that you've liked, that you have read in the past that you've liked. All right. This one is wild card. That means you put anything in that you want. All right. So excellent. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.